How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
How did you come here?
I took a bus.
How far is your house from here?
It's about 10 miles away.
Are you British?
No, I'm American.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English fluently.
Where were you born?
I was born in Seattle.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have an older brother.
Are you a student?
No, I'm working now.
What do you do?
I work as a teacher.
What did you study?
I study computer science.
Do you miss being a student?
Sometimes, especially the fun parts.
What's your favorite food?
I enjoy burgers and fries.
What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy painting and reading.
Where do you usually travel?
I often visit the beach.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn the most.
Who is your best friend?
Jessie is my best friend.
Why are you happy?
I'm enjoying the weather.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in June.
Why is it raining?
It's because of clouds.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
When did you eat?
I ate at noon.
Is that your book?
Yes, it's my book.
Who is your favorite singer?
Taylor Swift is my favorite.
When do you leave?
I leave at 5 p.m.
Is this your jacket?
Yes, it's mine.
Is this your phone?
No, it's not mine.
Who calls you?
My mom calls me.
Where is the nearest shop?
It's just around the corner.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Who gave you the book?
My friend gave it.
What is that on the table?
It's my keys.
What's that sound?
It's the doorbell.
Is this your wallet?
No, it's not mine.
Are you staying home tonight?
Yes, I'm staying in.
Are you feeling sick?
No, I feel good.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
What's the date today?
Today is December 8th.
What are you planning to do?
I'm planning to relax.
What do you want to eat?
I want pasta.
What color is your car?
My car is red.
What's your favorite TV show?
I love Friends.
What do you think of it?
I think it's great.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with family.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries.
What's your favorite place to eat?
I love Italian restaurants.
Is she your friend?
Yes, she's my friend.
What does she do?
She's a teacher.
Can you speak Spanish?
No, I can't.
Can you sing?
Yes, a little.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Yes, let's meet.
Can I have your number?
Sure, it's 7456987892.
Can I leave now?
Yes, you can go.